Two people are not here. कौन कौन नहीं है? देखना जरा कौन नहीं है.
शिवम और श्रेयस.
शिवम has changed his stream, I think. वो बायो शायद अडॉप्ट किया है.
Then Shreyas is not there.
Okay, fine. Recording also, I guess, is started now.
सर ये चेंज करके क्या मिलेगा सर?
I don't know his personal preference.
Sir, but it's a waste till now.
कितना तो
it's not too late.
होगा उसका.
It's not too late. He can catch it. 1 month तो हुआ है something. और it's all about interest. If you feel कि late realization है कि even if you give me allow me some space, I'll go back in time and maybe I'll go for BioStream. Why not? It's a good branch. ठीक है चलो. Let's not get into personal preferences. We'll start with the course. Okay. So यहाँ तक देखा था we sorting of 3 numbers. इसमें हम लोगों ने what we did was finding maximum, minimum and middle. That is small, big, small and middle निकाल के उसको as per the requirement we were printing. Right. So that was for sorting of 3 numbers. Absolute value में क्या करना है? I'll just show you once. Just a minute. First है ना. Somehow मैंने कुछ क्लास के नंबरिंग में I have made a mistake. I'll just correct it later. I think it's 30 only. 19.
30.
नहीं वो मैं कुछ नंबरिंग में मिस्टेक कर दिया. I was going through the video also YouTube में. I have skipped one. I'll see कि क्या problem है. Okay. Right. So absolute value का program. How do we do it? इसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत सिंपल है. We can do something like, let's say you input a number identified by identifier A and you write int input and then you may write some prompt. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? We can then write
if condition.
If में क्या लिखेंगे?
If a is less than 0, multiply by -1.
If a is less than 0, then
we have to multiply the number by -1.
A is equals to A multiplied by -1. ठीक है?
In brackets, no sir.
It's okay. You can keep. No problem. Else कुछ नहीं करना है. Else का जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Do you need else here?
No sir.
No sir.
अगर negative है then only you are going to multiply by -1. Absolute value means the magnitude part only of a number without sign. So if any number is having a sign, that is negative sign with it, you simply multiply it with positive sign, the sign will disappear, right? तो इसीलिए there is only one or two possibilities are there, but हमें focus one पे करना है. Another possibility का जरूरत हमें नहीं है. Okay, that will automatically be satisfied. So only if will be there. Okay, and then you
Print if.
Yes, tell me.
So can we write minus a?
माइनस ये भी लिख सकते हैं. ये भी शायद काम कर जाएगा. ओके, दैट माइट आल्सो वर्क. तो वो चेक कर लेना. ये आई थिंक दिस विल वर्क. ओके, सो दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू प्रोग्राम. तो Sir, do computer yeah, yes Aditya, without bracket
Sir,
भी
which
दोगे
topic it comes?
ये
Sir,
if
in
else
which
if else के अंदर का एक प्रोग्राम है, one of the programs to convert to print the absolute value of a number. It's an example of a program we are solving. Syllabus में mentioned.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Syllabus में if you see under ये वाले में कंडीशन में जो सैंपल प्रोग्राम्स दिए हैं ना, उसमें वन है एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. ओके, नाउ ये तो काम कर जाएगा, बट व्हाट अबाउट floating point numbers? Do we need to make any change here? Huh?
A is equal to float input.
A is equals to float input, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
more generic बनाने के लिए this should be changed to float. Now let's say if I give in, जैसे आउटपुट के लिए मानते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल if I give, let's say input is minus 5.6, what will be the output? What will be the output in this case? What will be the absolute value of minus 5.6?
5.6.
Okay, so you will get 5.6. Correct. Now you tell me, what if I give as an input, this is example 1, let's say example 2, I give as an input minus 5, then this will be
We
first
get
up.
5.0.
We get 5.0.
5.0.
uh, 5.0 आएगा. Why? Because if you are, even if you are giving an input which is integer, float क्या करेगा उसे? 0.0 लगा के it will be changed to float. Now a float ये बन गया है. Is it looking proper? कि तुमने उसका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? -5 दिए थे तो it should only display 5. Though 5 is same as 5.0, but अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है ना. किसी से तुम पूछोगे, if you ask someone what is the absolute value of -5, will that person reply 5.0?
No, sir.
नहीं. Though you can argue कि नहीं, it is same as 5, that is all right, but doesn't look that presentable. Can you overcome this problem? You understood what is the problem? Problem with this program is, program is that if an integer is entered, as input, okay, output, which will be its absolute value,
Will come as float.
absolute value will be displayed as float. ठीक है? Example, -5 if you give as input, output will be 5.0. Okay. तो क्या कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं इस प्रोग्राम में so that this case is also handled?
Print int a.
How will you know कि the number integer entered is an integer?
We just type function and
अगर देखो यहाँ पे
Fine.
print int a कर दोगे ना, तो even for floating point
yes, sir,
numbers,
it'll show integer.
हाँ, it will show integers. तब तो फिर आंसर ही गलत हो जाएगा. Okay.
Sir,
So
data type of A. Print it as data type of A.
print अच्छा मान लेते हैं टाइप ए भी प्रिंट कर लिए तो यू विल गेट समथिंग इंटीजर या कुछ करके आ जाएगा. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, ट्राई टू वर्क
Sir,
ऑन
we
इट.
can check the condition for integer.
That's a problem for you. We'll discuss that solution on Monday. We'll continue with something else today. तो ये तुम लोगों को ट्राई करने के लिए मैं दे रहा हूँ. I'll drop you a hint. Why does computer shows error in second line if error is in first line? अंकित, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा.
Sir, but it happened. That means I don't know. I did not put the bracket in the first line in the input, and when I executed the program, it's showing the error in the second line. And when I came back, I saw that I did not put a bracket.
हाँ, no, it showed the error in the second line because जब तक bracket close नहीं किए हो, till the time computer thinks your first line itself is continuing. ठीक है? So computer says कि your second line which is in continuation with the first line doesn't seem to be proper. ठीक है? तो generally उस तरह से computer work करता है. So it's nothing like that कि if error is on some other part of the program and later on it will show error. It's ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It will always be related. ठीक है? So इस पे तुम लोग work करोगे? क्या है? I'll just give you a food for a thought
Sir.
कि सोचो इस पे. No, अभी discuss नहीं करेंगे इस पे. Everybody should try.
Sir,
इससे
question.
रिलेटेड एक आइडिया तुम क्वेश्चन यही है, इसको इंप्रूव करना है सो दैट दिस केस इज आल्सो हैंडल्ड. ओके, नहीं तो
Sir, the
दिक्कत हो
output
जाए.
should come in int.
आउटपुट शुड कम इन.
Int.
नहीं, if only the input is integer, output should come in integer. Otherwise this program should only work.
Got it, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. उल्लास, try it out. ठीक है, थोड़ा ऊपर से आसान दिख रहा है पर it may be a bit more challenging. Okay.
Sir, means if the user give 5.0 also, we have to put in get the output as 5.0. If the user gives 5.0 as the number.
हाँ, वो सब ट्राई करो.
And the input should be float itself.
हाँ, मतलब डू समथिंग जिसमें कि देखो कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करो सो दैट ऑल पॉसिबल एंड लॉजिकल केसेस आर हैंडल्ड. ठीक है, एक पैरेलल प्रोग्राम करने की कोशिश करना. ठीक है, एक रिलेटेड आइडिया है. हाउ टू प्रूव दैट द नंबर एंटर्ड बाय द यूजर इज इंटीजर.
So, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
For the header of if, can we say type is equal to int or type equals float?
That is what I am telling you. कि you try it out whether it works or not. जब तक गलतियां नहीं करोगे, till the time you make mistakes, ठीक है, concept won't be clear. I want you to make mistakes. हो सकता है नहीं बने, हो सकता है सारे लोग बना लो. I'm not getting into that. Just try it out. You have ideas. जो everybody is saying, whatever you are saying is some way or the other related to this concept only. But just try to implement. अगर सारा कुछ मैं बता दूंगा तो your brain won't open up. ठीक है, just give it a try. और एक क्वेश्चन और ट्राई कर लेना. राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू प्रिंट whether the number entered by the user is integer.
So that is a part of the first program, sir.
You can try it out. इसको पहले सेपरेटली बनाने की कोशिश करना. See, you can take it as a separate program, though this will help you solve this. But if you can think of some other way also of solving the problem, that will be wonderful. ठीक है, this is my approach of solving this. But देखो, तुम लोग कुछ और तरीका निकाल के कर सकते हो. Think over it. and think it as a separate program. इसे तो कोशिश करना बनाने का.
सर ये जो सेकंड प्रोग्राम पे दिया है इसमें इनपुट हम लोग क्या लेना है?
That is up to
Input.
user. Yeah,
Then say if you
either
have to give
integer
the or float.
in देखो यूजर से इनपुट फ्लोट नंबर ही करवाओ, पर आउटपुट इज whether the number entered by the user. That means here input you will take as float only, but later on you will print whether the number entered was हो सकता है फ्लोट में भी तो 5 डाल सकता है ना यूजर इनपुट. Okay, so whether the number entered in this line was an integer or a floating point number. ठीक है. See, even if you write float, nobody is stopping you to give an integer value here as an input. Though computer will convert it as 5 को 5.0 कर देगा, that is okay. But you will have to print कि when was the pure integer entered and when was a float entered. You will have to print. Are you getting an idea? Are you getting what is the demand of the question?
So for integer we can say that the denominator should always be 1.
Don't ask me the solution. Try it out. My only question is, did you get the question? What you have to do?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. That means you will take a is equals to float input. ये line ही लिखोगे. But then you will print whether a is a pure integer or a is a floating point number. That's as simple as that. Okay. If you need hint, I can give you a hint. बताओ या खुद से try करोगे?
We'll try, sir.
Okay. ठीक.
We'll try it out, sir.
ठीक. Right. Now we'll start with a very small topic related, but a very ये वाला बीच में जो एक one line was missing.
Error.
Errors, correct. ये वाला. This is not as much related to program. ये concept है. You will have to understand the concept itself. Okay. So we'll see here.
Sir,
So
what is clarity and simplification of expression?
clarity and
Simplification of expression.
अरे वो कभी कभी सिलेबस में बातें भी बनाने लगते हैं ये लोग. Clarity and simplification of expression means कि your program code should be minimalistic. Minimalistic in the sense कि unnecessary part. जैसे मैंने वो दिखाया था कि flow if else में, if else में कि you don't need to write all the conditions. समझ रहे हो? So that you have to check. वो देखे थे ना if में electricity bill में if you are going down.
हाँ, sir.
So that is the simplification of expression.
Sir, means if you write that lesser than also we will not get marks. Our marks will be cut.
Lesser than means?
Means sir, you said so after writing this first condition, when we go to elif part, we need to write only one condition, that is greater than part.
Because other part is already implicit and understood, right?
Yes, sir. If we write the other part, will we not get full marks or our marks will be cut?
You will get full marks, but if the questions, देखो हर चीजें marks के लिए नहीं होती है. Syllabus is written from the point of view of teaching you. ठीक है? When you are looking at the syllabus, you should only look from the point of view of learning. It's not a question paper. ठीक है? तो इसमें तो तुम्हें बता रहा है कैसे सीखना है. So don't correlate it with marks and anything else. Okay, yeah. Okay, that is good. वो थोड़ा सा it will set you on a very high platform जब वो teacher evaluate कर रहा होगा. Divisibility is वो हम लोग देखे थे ना divisibility में mod वाला cases. Divisibility of whether it is a number divisible by this number or not. तो mod वाले cases में odd even उस तरह के program. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to this part.
So conditional statements are done, no, sir?
Conditional statements are done. One more question is there in this assignment, last question. पर उसे अभी नहीं देखेंगे. We'll leave it for now. Okay. We'll start with.
You solved that, no, sir?
No, one was there. Not sure वो क्या था. वो
No,
last
sir.
digit करके कुछ था.
Write a program 10 to 2 numbers and mathematical operator. That one.
No. It was about 2 digits of a number. और हाँ reverse करना था कुछ.
Okay, a parent.
Yeah. उसको we'll come to it later. ठीक है. That will be required. That concept will be required in next flow control statement, that is for. अगले बार हम लोग for पे जाएंगे. But before that, in next 1 or 2 classes, we'll be covering the rest of the remaining things, small topics. Okay? Right.
Sir, when will we be covering the features of Python identifiers,
ये
keywords part?
features Python अभी एकदम नहीं touch करेंगे. This will be the very last topic. 12th के बाद बताऊंगा. 12th का सारा syllabus के बाद. अभी बताऊंगा तो अभी मैं बोल दूंगा कि inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, तो that won't make sense. ठीक है, वो सारा ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग का फीचर्स है, that will be useless. हाँ, but rest of the things we will deal. ये वाला सब बताऊंगा मैं. Okay, right. तो पहले ये देख लेते हैं जल्दी से. See, a program execute.
What about augmented?
आएंगे अंकित, let me start. कुछ तो कंप्लीट करे, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे I'll be going on every missing part. Okay. तो पहले देखते हैं हम लोग एरर्स क्या होता है. एरर्स, ठीक है. सो अंडर एरर्स वी हैव 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एरर्स. देखोगे syllabus also mentions 3 types of errors: syntax error, runtime error and logical error. ठीक है. So we have 3 types of errors: syntax, logical and runtime. What is an error? How will you define error itself?
Mistake in our program.
Mistake in the code.
It's always a mistake. Can there be a program which runs, executes, but is incorrect?
Possible, sir.
Runtime errors, yes.
Runtime error. अच्छा, मैंने तो अभी यूज ही नहीं किया वो सब टर्म. See, what I will say is error. Error, इसको मार्केट में और भी कॉमन टर्म्स हैं इसके. That I will write here. कभी कभी इसको तुम लोग बग्स भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, अभी के लिए ये समझ लो. बग्स नहीं बोलते हैं, डिबगिंग. डिबगिंग मींस रिमूविंग बग्स. ओके, तो और रिमूविंग एरर्स. सो एरर्स, बग्स, ये सब जो बोलते हैं, दो अभी एग्जैक्टली नहीं होता है बग्स, बट अभी के लिए वी विल टेक इट एज सेम. सो व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय दैट? Unexpected behavior in the program may be termed as error or bug. ठीक है, in any way. Even if the program crashes, that is an unexpected error. Even if the outcome is not as per our expectation, the program is there is a mismatch in our expectation, so there is an error. ठीक है. हाँ, डिग्री अनसर्टेनिटी तो नहीं बोल सकते हैं exactly, because uncertainty को हैंडल करने के लिए भरत we have if else. ठीक है,
फिजिक्स वाला एरर ये.
हाँ,
फिजिक्स एरर.
हाँ, वो तो फिर अप्रोक्सीमेशन वाले एरर्स में तुम चले गए, उसमें नहीं जाना. ठीक है. सो हियर वी विल से कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर इन द प्रोग्राम. अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर और क्रैशिंग ऑफ प्रोग्राम. क्रैशिंग का मतलब क्या? प्रोग्राम डिड नॉट एग्जीक्यूट. ठीक है, वो बीच में ही इट गेव सम एरर मैसेज. ठीक है, ऑफ प्रोग्राम, ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. So this is how you can roughly define one error. Now, when you know that a program has behaved unexpected in an unexpected manner, or it did not execute at all, that is it crashed. That means it stopped after giving some error or some message which said that some problem is there. So that means you have an error in your program or some bug is there in your program. Okay? Now the error can be of 3 types. This is first, second and third. Okay. Now we are familiar with this, right? Syntax errors. अभी तक syntax error देखे हैं. What is syntax error?
Error in any program.
Error in any
Sir,
program?
error in any statement.
Error in any statement. In what way?
Like sir, after if you don't give a colon, that is a syntax error.
Correct.
Or a
Writing mistake.
bracket.
Parentheses also.
Yeah, correct. So error मतलब कि उसमें more or less everybody is saying correct. So that means in a way I can say the way you write program, the way computer Python expects, or the grammar the Python expects, if you fail to mention in that form, then it will be it will be classified as a syntax error. That means we can mention here improper Python syntax. Sort of syntax or grammar. ठीक है, अगर मान लो if के जगह fi लिख देते हो फाई, तो वो एरर दे देगा. Why? Python does not know what does it have in phi, और वो phi क्या होता है वो नहीं जानता है. ठीक है, तो फिर वो एरर दे देगा. तो जैसे उसका ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए प्रोग्राम में, if that is not correct और Python उस चीज को समझ ही नहीं पाया, तो then it will if it is not able to understand, then it will throw one error known as syntax error. Okay. What is रन टाइम एरर? ठीक है, रन टाइम एरर पे आते हैं. रन टाइम एरर मतलब क्या? इफ यू रन द प्रोग्राम, it won't show any syntax error. देखो, syntax checking is done before executing a program. Yeah, Ankit, it's sort of for देखो for this beyond Python syntax, yes, that is beyond the understanding of Python. जो उसका vocabulary है, उसके grammar है, वो Python उसे नहीं जानता है. If the Python doesn't recognize the syntax, the structure of the sentences, or the grammar of the sentence, or the vocabulary of the sentence, then क्या करेगा? It will throw you a syntax error. ठीक है? So remember, any programming language.
I asked that is syntax error only about Python or is it about something else?
All programming languages.
Okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है. तो in any programming language पहले syntax error check होता है कि whether grammar is correct or not. Then a runtime checking is done. पहले syntax checking होता है, then program is executed. ठीक है. If syntax is wrong, program won't execute. Program will crash. If syntax is right, then program will execute, but at the time of execution it may give error. Then that error will be called as runtime error. समझते हैं डिफरेंस क्या है? देखो, लेट 16 था ना. ओके. Now let's say यहाँ पे अब देखो, let's say I'll enter two numbers. It's a very simple program to find the result of division of two operators, two numbers. I'll write first number as, okay, let's say int या float ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Float input enter the first number. Enter the first number. Okay. And then enter the second number. Second number. Now, if I write this,
Sir, PRINT.
मैं जानबूझ के लिख रहा हूं. I'm doing that purposefully. What will happen?
Error at line 4.
Error at line 4. That means improper grammar or syntax or structure formation or the statement formation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What type of error
Yes,
will it
sir.
be?
Syntax error.
Syntax error. Will the program execute?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why? Syntax checking is done before execution. I just wrote here. Okay, syntax checking is done before execution. So if there is a syntax error, then program won't execute. However, if syntax is correct, then program may or may not execute. Matlab, program will execute, but may give error or may not give error, depending on whether runtime error is there or not. So in this case, if I open CMD, okay. If I open CMD here and then I write, let's say, Python, it will ask me for the first number. I will give the first number as 12. It will ask me for the second number. I'll give as 3. Okay, so it complained. The program crashed. If the program does not reach your execution stage, we will say that there is a syntax error and the program crashed, complaining about some problem in the grammar or the structure formation or structure of the statement. Aditya, I'm coming to it. Wait. इसी program में दिखाऊंगा मैं. Now, is it correct? It is incorrect. Why? Because there is nothing defined in the vocabulary, or you can say the grammar of the grammatical rules of the Python as per this PRNT. Print से कुछ match करता हुआ ना उसके grammar में है ना vocabulary में है. So there is a problem with the structure or the statement of structure of the statement or the grammar of the program. Vocabulary mismatch हो गया उसका. So you will get the syntax error. Now, if I write PRINT and if I save it and again
FLOATT also syntax error.
Which one? What?
FLOATT.
That is also syntax error. Okay. मैं modules के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. I am not talking about modules, Aditya. Just focus. Let me complete this discussion. You will understand. Okay. See, अभी मैंने लिखा anything where what you write, the program does not go on to the execution stage and crashes. That is an example of syntax error. I have given you one example of syntax error. अभी यहाँ पे मैं if I miss out L, quote, then it is again a syntax error. It does not identify this thing. In the vocabulary, it is not there. Python के vocabulary में. तो something grammar से related हो. If मैं block starting वो colon भूल जाओगे. If you forget the colon in if, so then it will be an error. If you misspell if, then it will be an error. ठीक है? If you use something which Python does not recognize, then it will be again a syntax error. Now, let's say everything is correct and the program, after saving, we execute. It started executing. Okay. अभी तुम देखोगे पूरा complete execution अब हो जाएगा program का. Here the program could not execute completely. At one of the lines, there was some grammar related error. So we said that there was syntax error. Now, if we see the program, I'll write 12, 3, answer is 4. That means there is this
No
program, no error. This program is
Executed.
free of syntax errors. Okay. Is it clear how to, if the program runs completely, even for any sample input, any one of the sample inputs, and gives you one output, then we will say that the program does not have syntax errors. Clear? इस program में कोई syntax error नहीं है. But can you tell me, is this program still correct? For only for
That is
finding
a logical error. Logical because we are not getting the desired output.
नहीं लॉजिक पे अभी नहीं जाते हैं. I have not started discussing logical error. ठीक है? And my just question is कि is this program error free? ठीक है, there is no syntax error, पर और भी कुछ हो सकता है क्या इसमें? Problem. Don't go for the purpose of the program. Just have a look. You are sure now this is syntax free, syntax error free program? Everybody is sure because it executed?
Yes, sir.
Completely without crashing
Yes,
at
sir.
any part of the program? Okay, we'll check once again. I'll give the divisor as 0.
It is not defined, sir.
Not defined.
देखो क्या दे रहा है वो? Zero division error.
And so if you divide by 0, there is no answer, so that's an error.
Error.
Yes.
So is this error related to syntax? Zero division error.
No,
Or
sir.
No, sir.
Is this related to the nature of the inputs that you are giving?
Nature
or the
of the
operations,
input.
or the operations based on the input that is being performed. So will this error come every time? No. हरदम तो नहीं आएगा. For one particular set of input के लिए आएगा. So when did Python realize that this error is there?
When we gave input as 0. Second
When we give input as 0. So a program may be correct. Ankit is asking why does it not type not defined? Ankit इसका मैं reason ये दे सकता हूँ.
If else statement.
We were not the people who designed this programming language. ठीक है? तो उसने जिसने डिजाइन किया, the person thought of declaring this as symbolizing what you are saying. Okay, so zero division error means what you are saying. Okay, so उसने इस तरह से reflect किया. If I would have been there, then I could have written float division by 0, which is not defined. ठीक है, उसने नहीं दिया. That's all right. Okay, but zero division error means the same thing, that is division by 0 is not possible. Okay, or is not defined. Right. So if your program executes even in one of the scenarios, but fails to execute in some other scenarios or for some given set of inputs, okay, then we will say that the program is error free with respect to syntax, but has error which the program only comes, which Python only comes to know when actual execution is being done.
execution.
Actual execution or actual operations on those set of inputs are being done, or some dynamic computation is being done by Python. So that is not related to the grammar of the program. Grammar is correct, but at the time of execution, that operation failed to perform. So those types of errors are classified as runtime errors. So Ankit क्या पूछ रहे हो? But this is only for numbers. Ankit, there are n number of cases which you will find for ये तुम्हारा runtime errors में. अच्छा चलो एक और मैं दिखाता हूँ.
This is which type of error? Runtime.
This is runtime. देखो, for one set of input it executed. So we cannot say that there is a problem with the syntax of the program. The syntax is correct. The grammar is correct. Because for one or more, for any other set of input, this program will work. So there is no problem with the grammar of the program. There is only problem with a particular set of inputs जिसमें computation fail कर जाता है at the time of execution or at the time of running the program. Okay. So if the grammar of the program is correct, but execution fails, when computer tries to perform execution or computation, after verifying the grammar is okay, and the resulting error in that case will be known as runtime error. That is, fine, on the first look it was correct. There was no problem with the structuring and the formation of the grammar. ठीक है?
Sir, if we give n1 and n2 both as 0, 0, then what happens?
And numerator can be 0. Error तुमको line number 3 में ही देगा.
That also is an error, sir, if we give 0 and 0, 0 by 0.
अब चेक करके देख लो, डोंट ड्रैग मी इनटू मैथमेटिक्स की मैथमेटिक के लॉजिक में क्या होगा, जस्ट गेट द जस्ट, ठीक है। अब वो तो तुम ट्राई करके देखो 0 by 0 में क्या होगा, लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट। वही देगा, जीरो डिवीजन एरर ही देगा। दैट मींस पाइथन expects you to you not to give 0 only in divisor, ठीक है, या डिनोमिनेटर, ठीक है, न्यूमरेटर कैन बी 0, okay.
Sir, so that negative powers of square roots are also runtime error, right, sir?
वो तुम चेक करके बताना मुझे।
Okay.
Okay. Now, can you give me another example of yeah, any other? Ullas, you tell me, can you think of any other example? किसी का आइडिया नहीं है? Okay. I'll give you another example. Let's say.
Sir, the identifier thing, is it syntax error or runtime?
Identifier thing.
If we didn't define it beforehand.
No, identifier is a syntax error because grammar of Python specifies that it should not start with a number.
Not that, sir. If we use any identifier which is not already defined.
हाँ, वो grammatical error हो जाएगा. That is Python won't understand it when reading it. Okay. ठीक है, उसको execute करने की कोशिश ही नहीं करेगा. It won't try to execute it at all. Okay. Another example of a runtime error.
Sir, 0 0 it's giving, sir.
What?
0.0.
Division? No, we just executed. ना अभी कहाँ आया था?
No, sir, 0 by 0.
हाँ, 0 by 0 we tried. देखो, हाँ, error it is error. देखो यहाँ पे हम स्क्रीन पे. Okay.
I have got it, sir.
आओ. गलत किया देखो फिर. I hope you have given division वो मॉडुलस वगैरह नहीं लगा दिए हो कुछ. मॉडुलस पे भी नहीं आएगा.
So square root of a negative number is an example of runtime error.
हाँ, हो जाएगा. Okay. Okay. Now, is there any syntax error in the program? Let me complete.
No, sir.
No. Syntax error नहीं है. I'm just asking for an integer number and then printing that number. Okay. Let's say first number is the only number. I'll write 23. ये concept. Oh, sorry. That was program 18. Please enter an integer number.
Sir, that is also runtime error, no, sir?
No, I press the shortcut key Control C to terminate the program forcefully. Okay.
No, sir, if you write a wrong program, means the number of the program.
The type of input.
No, sir, I'm asking, means if you write the wrong program number, like you wrote prog 17.
No.
That is human error.
Yeah, that is human error. Human errors are always related to logic. वो तो कंप्यूटर का गलती नहीं है. ठीक है. Now see, the program was correct because I entered one number and the number was displayed. Okay? So there is no syntax error. But what about instead of entering integer, I write high. Error आ गया.
Invalid literal.
Yes, sir.
ये error आ गया. So when was the computer able to identify this? In the syntax checking phase or when trying to convert high to integer at the time of execution?
Execution, sir.
Conversion, sir.
Execution, sir.
Execution
Conversion.
करने की कोशिश किया. The computer tried to execute that high. ठीक है? But it failed at the time of execution. So grammar is correct, but syntax is correct, but runtime पे it failed to do that operation. Ankit, how it is not?
Sir, because this is human error. We have already mentioned please enter an integer.
Correct. अच्छा ठीक है. हटा दी. ठीक है. Now you tell me.
Now it is, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir, in exam, if it comes like if this please enter an integer number and then this come, then what is that error? Logical or runtime?
Both.
Both. Okay.
हाँ. अरे runtime पे भी computer also failed at runtime and you also applied a wrong logic. Okay. So ये दोनों error है. ठीक है. ये समझ में आया? What is the difference between this? What you say is your syntax error and runtime error. Okay. Program fails to execute at runtime or during execution. Example is zero division error. Division error, value error. Value कब error आता है?
Hi, sir.
Ilam, I'm stopping. मैं नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा ज़्यादा. Even 12th is there. इसके बाद.
Value error is when we type high or something.
हाँ, value error is when there is a mismatch of data type. You are saying कि you will be accepting input integer, but you provide a string. ठीक है. तो इस तरह के cases में आ सकते हो. ठीक है. So what we'll do is we'll stop here. ठीक है. This one logical error तो समझ गए होंगे. When a person writing the program अपने intention, let's say I have to find the sum of two numbers. पर मैंने find कर दिया product. Syntax is also correct. Program will also give you output. But whose error it was? It was on the part of programmer. Okay. ठीक है. ये error याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can also mention the scenarios. Division by zero error. When there is a mismatch of data type when providing input, then also there is an error. That is also an example of runtime error. ठीक है. Logical error is when the program is syntax error free and there is no runtime error, but the program fails to achieve its objective because of the error in logic of the programmer. उसमें कंप्यूटर की गलती नहीं होता है, and this is the most commonly encountered error in the software development. Logical error सबसे dangerous error होता है. Okay, it's the most dangerous.
सर रन टाइम में सिर्फ ये दो ही होते हैं, जीरो और वैल्यू एरर.
नहीं बहुत होते हैं. There are many types of errors. Many. मैं तो दो एग्जांपल दिया हूँ. There can be many, n number of possibilities are there. We'll learn slowly and slowly. ठीक है. Okay. चलो, I got another class. Aditya, I'll take up your doubts और जो भी है बाकी लोगों का कर लेंगे. I got to start class 12 also.
Sir, import math is what? If you don't write import math, runtime or
Syntax.
Syntax. Okay.
I'll stop.
Thank you,
Can you
sir.
leave, sir?
Thank you,
Huh?
sir.
You can leave.